Yo, yo, yo! Welcome to another stream, guys. YouTube is not receiving enough videos to maintain smooth streaming. Let me see what's going on. Let me see, guys. Let me look into it. Seems like I made some modifications to the settings and the streaming as well, and it seems like it doesn't work well at all again. Let me look into it, because this is bad, guys. What's going on? It works good now? Let's see. Limited. What YouTube is saying? It seems like the stream is not working well. Let's see what you guys say. What about the 43 minutes? I don't understand it. Live after 43 minutes? What do you mean? Let's keep things going, guys. Let's go. Let's see. Today, yeah. So we are publishing the last version. It's 74.1. We did a lot of updates. I really need the time to recharge myself. It was a very hard week. It was a lot of things going, but now oh yeah. So right now we are so close, but we are waiting for the Apple developer to give us the developer account. So literally I'm waiting for that. I'm waiting to see if Apple is giving me the Apple developer, and if not, we'll see what's going on. Maybe create a new account, but they are saying 48 hours. So in order to receive updates and everything, you should basically have an Apple developer, so the Apple can be the Apple app can be installed very easy. Perfect. Let's see what we are working today, guys, because we've done a lot of things. Now we also seen the TUI on Claude Code. It seems like this is a new update, but I'm not really sure if it works or not. Last week we encountered a problem where the text and everything on the screen was really truncated, and it was showing just in the left part. I'm not sure if that. I think it's blocking somehow. OBS is saying that. Yeah, OBS is saying that the stream is overloaded, but yeah. I did the CLI fix, guys. This is it. Claude solved it for us. So I'll show you a little thing here. Today we have another update from Claude. I mean, it was yesterday, but I just saw it today because it was on in the night. But it seems like they added a lot of things here, inclusive the silly eye fix. So now we have item 2 teammate mode. I don't know what is this. I was using before the the item. Now I'm just using the Prwn app. You can also get the Prwn app, but we are still building it, so we are at day 12 or 3rd. I'm not 13, sorry, I'm not really sure, but what we've built until now is exactly what you see here. So we have a different projects, different things here. You can literally open multiple terminals, multiple screens with separate terminals, and you also have voice included. The dictation is already included in the plan. You can use parakeet Soniux or whisper. Soniux is bring your own key. You also can have the browser and you can see the local host and everything directly on the browser. It seems like today is Portugalia with Uzbekistan, then the UK with Ghana, and Panama and Russia in fifth in Mondial Cup. So then you have the exact folder you open here in the workspace in the left. You can see the changes made, or you can see the source control. So you see clearly what are the updates in GitHub. Yeah, so basically here is the handoff to the promotion from to the stable from 68 to 74.1 after I tested on dev. Then you have the resources. This is for Claude only right now, but yeah, and also the saved prompts. You can literally click, for example, Control-Shift-1, and everything it's sent to the console. Then you have the sessions from the Claude. So let's also update today the conversations. I will make this resources tab provider aware, because right now if you are opening and you want to launch a new session from here, you will have in Premiere, guys, I'm showing you that you have Claude Codex, Anti-Gravity, or Open Code. So we have implemented Anti-Gravity and Open Code as well. So what I did today, I literally purchased the Open Code Go plan, which have also GLM 5.2. So we will also test that. If you click here, it will open for you a new tile in Open Code. You see I'm having here GLM 5.2. So this is really nice. We are having a lot of improvements. You can also see here what are the improvements. What I also added, you can drag files from here, from the right side to the terminal, and it adds it to the terminal as well. So if you are having a file from here, you can drag it and drop it in the terminal really fast and really really intuitive, you know. So yeah, what I'm building the Prwn app. Okay, so this is the app I'm building. You are seeing here, it's similar to the Bridgemind, but it's implemented also with the Telegram. You also have voice included in the plan in the app. You don't need to install another app, for example, but you also have the AI assistant and the real time, which can control your terminals. And let's talk with it. Hello, how are you? What terminals do you see in the Prwn workspace?
Hi, I'm doing well, thanks. In the Prwn workspace right now, I see 3 active terminals running. 2 are labeled Claude, and 1 is labeled Open Code. If you need to interact with any of them or get more details, just let me know.
Yeah, for one, Claude, please tell to the Claude to do a deep dive into the resources feature in our Prwn app and see if we can include also conversations and past conversation from Codex, from Anti-Gravity, and also from Open Code, so I can see them clearly and resume any of this.
I've sent the request to that Claude session. It's now working on the deep dive into the resources feature and exploring integration of conversations from Codex, Anti-Gravity, and Open.
Yeah, okay, perfect. In another terminal, can you please tell to the Claude to investigate the possibility to also change the real-time voice and clone one voice, maybe make it more robotic and also louder, because the voice into the real time, it's really um, not that um, not that high, and I cannot hear it well. So the volume it's a little down.
I've opened a new terminal in the Prwn workspace, and it's now investigating how to modify the real-time voice, cloning it, making it more robotic, and increasing its volume.
Perfect. Thank you so much. Okay, so now I didn't write any code. I just spoke with the AI real time. We will also have in the Telegram the real time one. So that will be so nice for us. Okay, because we will be able to talk directly into the terminal, into the Telegram with the AI assistant, and he can open terminals, investigate terminals, see what they done, report back to us, and so on and so forth. So this will be a really great add-on to the app. Um, we also have some other suggestions from other people. So yeah. Yeah, I didn't do that because we already have the voice orb. If I'm activating it, you see, we do have this thing here. So I didn't want it to bloat the screen with any other thing. But what else I did? It's the Prwn app here into the menu bar, and you can basically click, and you will be able to talk to the AI. You see? So if you want, you can also shut down this, and you will still be able to talk with the AI. And yeah, that's perfect. Can you hear me? Yeah. Um, but yeah, this is good suggestion. Yeah. Um, yeah. I don't bother having another thing on the screen, but just talk with it here. So I'm really seeing what he's doing for now. But we also have the verb at the top now, and we can talk to that. So we don't need to be in the app. So if I'm going to the website, for example, I can still talk with it. Hello, can you hear me? Let's see, because it seems like it stops while I'm closing this. Hello, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you loud and clear. How can I help you today?
Please investigate how the menu bar item for the Prwn app works. And when I'm clicking to talk to the AI, orb should be visible on the screen and should not stop if I'm clicking on another window. Basically, the orb should have the listening, the mute button, and the X button, and should work outside of the menu bar, not inside the window opened by the menu bar.
Understood. You want to make sure that the AI interaction orb appears as a separate floating element on the screen, always visible and active, even if you switch to another window. It should have clear controls, like the listening indicator, a mute button, and a close button. I'll examine how the current system works and how the orb can be persistent outside.
But can you open a terminal for that in the Prwn workspace?
I've opened a terminal to investigate the Prwn.
Let's see if it done the things. Ah, yeah, okay, perfect. It opened for us, you see? Okay, that's perfect. Let's see what they talk in here. The scroll in the full screen, it's a little bit harder right now, but yeah. What the voice actually is, the verb is OpenAI. Let me read the summary, because this has started by launching a read-only explorer, the map, which will help determine where the research again and how to modify the. What I do actually, the honest recommendation, the request behind the make the voice audible and give it some character voice cloning. Expensive way to chase it and make it work anyway. Now the gain stage of volume slider slow, so if the too quiet properly, low race surgical lands on prone left. If you want character, add a robotic toddler, ring modulation in the same code, cheap fun, no architecture change. If you want a different voice without cloning, flip orb output voice to another preset or build a voice speaker. Bro, I don't know. I changed the OBS settings and it seems like it's literally freezing. But I'm not sure why. Let me modify some settings from here. Maybe. Let's see with these settings. Just let me know if it still happens. Okay. Right now it seems like it's working good, but let's see what's going on. The assistant started 5 minutes ago. I don't know why it's not making the. Okay, please, let's do that. Please investigate everything and let's brainstorm together. And please interview me if you want any other things. I want the voice to be default like this and also be more louder. So the users don't have any knob or change anything. And I also need the robotic voice to be there. How do we make that? Are you sure that we can intervene into the real-time audio that is coming back to us and make it robotic instead of cloning robotic voice? The warmer has a listening indicator and it's already survived the Windows switching during the call. What is not today is a free floating window with somebody in the tray. Making the float outside the menu is a real but well-scoped piece of work. Yeah, right now, if I'm moving to another window when I'm having the menu item bar at the top, it seems like it stops and I need to resume the talking with it. So it doesn't survive going to another browser or another window. When you say clearly see them and easily resume, how deep should they are? List plus one. Same like we have right now with the Claude, but making sure you are basically making it for the others. So it's the same, but just have indicator for which provider it belongs to that session. Okay. Let's see, guys. Hopefully we do some updates today.
Distance keeping us way too far apart. Every time I get too close, I fall apart. You have changed for the better. You don't wanna stay sleeping in my head. Why you made up your side of the bed? I never said it was forever. When you don't need me no more, so you keep on moving on. You'll be okay, and I'll remain.
So right now, you can click here, open 5 terminals, but you can do a custom mix. So you can open 2 terminals in Claude. You can open one in Codex and one with open code, for example. So 2 with open code. So you click launch and all the terminals will launch. Yo, Mari, welcome. Let's do a ultra code session, please. Let's go. So let's also investigate the way. Let me investigate the, but not here, but in the Prwn web. Let's do it like this, and let's effort ultra code. Please do a deep dive and see how the components and all the cards are showing into Prwn web in the admin, and make sure they are scrollable. They are not showing all the content in just one big table, but make it responsive, so I don't need to scroll all the way down to see all the lines and everything. So let's make it responsive. Let's find a way to display them very well. And for example, the pages visited, if there are 100, just show 15 or 20, and then I can scroll down with the header fixed, for example, so I can see also the header, or find a way, see how shady CN is working, and how it shows the lists and everything. Okay, let's also add goal, and let's go. So guys, we will move the orb from here, from this part, um, directly to outside of it, of the screen, and you will be having um, the orb outside of the screen. You can go as well in other pages and everything, and it will stay over everything. There is also a bug when I'm having my microphone muted. It seems like the orb is still reacting to my voice, even if I'm having the mute on the microphone. Yes, please write. Please write the specs, then review it with 3 sub agents, then create a plan, review it with 5 sub agents, and then let's start implementing this new feature, please. How should the floating word be summoned and dismissed? And what happens to the current in pop over verb? Menu bar button launches it. Instead of the inline one, the popover close equals the orbs on X. Remove the inline popover simple as global hotkey plus menu bar button. Okay, guys, so I will show you something. We have done some videos with AI, some shorts. So Claude was able to download our lives from YouTube, creating some viral shorts and then posting to the YouTube, you know? So right now we have only 3 shorts, but one was literally very, very good, and it has 1.3K views. So this is something automatically, and I'll show you right now. So if you are going to this one, you will see the shorts here, and look, this one, Claude found your GitHub issues. I haven't did anything, guys, to those. He wrote the title, he wrote the descriptions, he wrote everything, and also choose the part from the video which will be in the short. Also, it took the image with me and then the part with the screen above. So it created the exact short, and now I can literally make new shorts directly from Claude. I also have review dashboard, so I can review the shorts he made and also approve, review, and reject, and also create more videos based on some templates. So I have 6 templates. I'm doing these reels and these shorts, and they are working exactly automatically. So it crops the image, it puts the top, it also do recognize GitHub that people are complaining about this text doesn't reflow, and for Claude to so the screen is moving, you see, to handle what we have, you know. So yeah, let's go ahead and let's take the last stream and do again some shorts. So we'll post more shorts today. Maybe we'll post 5 shorts today. What do you think, guys? What do you think? When you dismiss the floating verb hotkey or tray toggle mid call, should the live call keep when you dismiss the floating verb hotkey or tray toggle, mid call, should the live call keep running or end? Okay, so we'll not have the hide. Then 3 constants at the top, robot voice arrays are the entire dial. Tell me which way to move them, and it's a one line change plus rebuild. Ring career hertz. Keep the robotic mix moderate. So verification, ESP unit test written. Watch failed. Then pass. The Prwn build is compiling now. Does not touch your live session and will reinstall plus launch. Prwn dev, when it's live, I confirm the start of the real-time or cockpit for and listen louder robotic between the 3 numbers from the 3 stable promotion state part. Okay, so it seems like it did a really great job and very fast this time. Let's see here into the analytics, and then let's go to the clipper, do some great shorts. I have done some lives last week, and I really want to create 20 shorts for the last 2 lives, please, and then show me in the web browser so I can review them and also post them. See what videos you didn't, what lives you didn't downloaded, and please download them and start the pipeline so you identify the best moments and then create the shorts. Let's see what's going on. Seems like the transcription didn't work. Please write the specs to review the trace of agents. Okay. Please help me to take the last 2 lives on the local, investigate which will be the best moments from the video, and also create 20 shorts that I can review and approve and then post to the YouTube. Use the pipeline you are having in the Clipper, do everything, and make sure everything at the end compiles good, and the position of the camera and everything gets exactly positioned correctly, and then open the review platform for me so I can review and post to the YouTube. Okay, yeah, it's a problem because when I'm rebuilding the Prwn dev after doing some stuff, it seems like the laptop, the Mac Mini, it's literally freezing the whole work, and it piles up the RAM, and the RAM it's going to the roof, and that's it. That's the issue, I think. Welcome, guys. Nice to see you here on Twitch as well. So really proud. I did find you. You did find me. Sorry. Okay, so let's see what's new. The voice assistant is louder with robotic tone. Let's see. Let's test it. Hello. How are you?
Hi there. I'm doing well. Thanks for asking. How about you?
I'm good. I'm good. Okay. This is good, but it seems like okay, this is good, but it seems like the voice it's a female and it's not really robotic. It seems like it's interrupting more like that. So also the volume it's too low. Make it more louder, please. So this is the issue. When I'm building the dev app, it bloats the RAM, and then it goes into the stream freeze. This is the issue, unfortunately. No, I don't want the users to adjust, to have another knob, and I literally don't want that. It's a very bad UI and having a lot of things. I mean, already the settings have a lot of things that I'm really not proud of. I mean, the whole things here is just things that users will not use at all anytime. So I'm trying to get the perfect things for the users to not feel the the need to adjust anything, just work by default, you know. So this is what I tested in the past, and yeah, it's you need to be to have something that goes smooth by default. I know, but it's a mess, bro. Yeah. Another thing that I have done, we can now modify the, but why it doesn't work? What? Oh yeah. Okay, so we can modify the titles, implement history, convo for all providers. And now, but it's not working so great. So I will open a new Claude session. Let's try open code actually. do a deep dive and find how the titles can be adjusted by double clicking on the title. It seems like right now when I'm double clicking on the title, it just show me some three dots or something like that, and it's not showing me what I'm writing into the new title. I just need to guess or do that work. Please go ahead and see what's going on. I will also share a screenshot with you so you can see what's going on. Okay, so I'll share a screenshot with it. I'll drag it to the terminal. Perfect. This is how it shows when I double click. Let's see. Let's test the GLM 5.2, guys. This is the first try. Okay. Let me see, because please modify the open code settings so it have YOLO permissions, so I don't need to approve anything while it's working. Then replace the middle line. I proceed the full design. Yes, please write the spec, review it, 3 agents, 3 sub agents, then create a plan, and then please review the plan with the 5 sub agents, and then start implementing sub agent driven. Always. It's pretty fast, or I'm wrong? What's going on? Let's also close this, because it seems like it bloats the RAM as well. Let's see what the agent with the review with the shorts is doing. So rerun the native pipeline video per ad. Okay, perfect. And now it seems like, yeah, wow, look limited. It's all the way perfect. That's good. That's so good. The full pipeline spec 3 agents, perfect. Okay, let's see the open code. You said that it might do something weird. I don't see what. Oh, yeah, no, it's okay. I can literally also click. Wow. Precise terminal rapidly. So like this. Sorry. What's the bug? Let's also investigate what this RAM is. please find a way to remove this hook and don't make it block anytime when you are doing this. Claude should not be blocked by pushing when I'm approving and saying that we need to push. Sorry. No, that's not good. What the shit? Okay, let's see. Oh, it seems like it was building again the app. That's why it was bloating again the stream and everything. So what happened? Enhance real-time voice in the Prwn app. Oh, so yeah, the voice. Okay, let's see the voice. Hi, how are you?
Hey there. I'm doing great. Thanks for asking. How can I help you today?
Yeah, that's not good. Sure it's done? Not yet, no. It takes a while. The Claude scorer returned a bookmark. Every kind of keep false. So 0 plan 0 render the all 5 clip directs. Before running and hoping, I need to find the root cause. Yeah, no, not done. Not done. Sincerely. Okay, please open that for me in the browser so I can look into the admin analytics. Let's see. Okay, but it seems like it's not a man voice. Please make the voice different and don't use the female anymore. Let's see. It freezes again, right? Yeah. I need to find a way, guys. I need to find a way. I think I will stream from my MacBook Pro and I will I'll use the Mac Mini just for building and everything. Yeah, I know, bro. I know. It's fucking yeah. Let's see if it done or not. Yeah, that's what we want. Okay, that's perfect. So it doesn't show a lot of crazy things. I think this size 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 7, 8, 9. It's good. I think just show 7 lines, not more than 7 lines. This is good, this is looking good, but let's show only 7 lines. Let's do the update and tell me when I can look in the browser. Yeah, this is what I will do. I'll stream from the MacBook, and I'll keep the stream on the MacBook while I'm sharing with you the Mac Mini screen where I'm working. Okay, so next stream tomorrow will be this way. So sorry for being that way today, but it seems like the app is a little bit it's a little bit bigger right now after we built a lot. So when it builds and bloats the RAM. Please investigate my user Theodore at Prwn.app and extend the free trial with 1 month, please. Okay, so let's see. Done. This is done. Let's see the open code. Done. Build green relevant. Relevant. To see it live, run bash. Rebuild it yourself, please. Make sure you do all the job until the end. Don't let orphan things also commit on the main. Also, don't make the same mistake again. Make sure you always rebuild the dev. Guys, let's see what actually GLM 5.2 did. I'm really curious if this is really good or not. I'm literally very I'm really curious. Okay. Spec hardened and committed. Let's see this. Spot basically loaded. The stream hook is matching. Present ID, the config, no local config. Memory suggest. Okay. Voice swapped. Mail robot voice. Let's see what's going on. And here, implement history, cover for all providers. Let's rebuild the app and see what the voice sounds like now. And the clipper, let's see the clipper. With the request small ask keep for the 30 floors, first score sweet green rough clean. But I need to confirm the real yield before committing the slow renders. YouTube flow understood. Similar will be upload. Upload best effort and do the short and open on real constraint. Dry still running. 2 sequential Claude scoring passes. Waiting on its completion. Okay, let's see. So we'll post 2 more. Not 2 more, 5 more videos tonight. 5 more shorts completely automatically done by Claude. Okay, so I'm not touching anything. I just told him to basically go on YouTube on the last 2 streams and get the videos from there and create 20 shorts. This is it. Okay, let's see if it did what I asked for. Yeah, perfect. That's good. That's good. Okay, guys. This is what we need. Okay. Okay. Okay, that's perfect. Let's commit, push, and deploy on Vercel everything and the updates you've done right now. The webhook refetches from Stripe and overrides the Supabase trial, and the daily reconcile will blubber any direct. So the only durable way to extend is Stripe update trial and proration behavior. Webhook syncs Supabase automatically. There is no existing admin action for this. The only submutation in the repo is cancel account deletion. Tooling is available and the Stripe SDK for a one account. The remove is a one-off Stripe API call, not building the whole admin extended trial feature. Okay. Let's see now. I think the open code did the thing and rebuilt the app, if I'm not mistaken. Oh, it didn't. Let's see what's going on. Finished. Generated for. I think it did it. Let's see the voice now. I'm really curious on what he did. Hi, how are you?
Hey there. I'm doing great. Thanks for asking. How about you? Need any help with something today?
It's not good. Let's think how we can do.
Wake up. That was such a success, as was your Senate hearing. And may I say how refreshing it is to finally see you in a video with your clothing on, sir.
Allow me to introduce myself. I am Jarvis, a virtual artificial intelligence, and I'm here to assist you with a variety of tasks as best I can.
Creators, take these 3 apps I built to run my business. They're ready for you as free to use.
Swear to God, I'll dismantle you, I'll soak your motherboard, I'll turn you into a wine rack. How many ounces a day of this gobbledygook am I supposed to drink?
We are up to 80 ounces a day to counteract the symptoms, sir.
Check palladium levels.
Blood toxicity, 24%.
Bro, I want to make it like Jarvis. Now it's not sounding really good. Hello, how are you?
Hey there. I'm doing great. Thanks for asking. How about you? What can I help you with today?
Okay, so let's make it less obvious, okay? Let's see where it was. Here. Okay, this is working good, but it's too exaggerated. Can you make the robot voice a little bit less exaggerated? Why, bro? What copyright? I'm not using the Jarvis voice, but I'm using my voice with clone thing. Clipper. Let's see what it did. Really old issue, day 7. Okay. Oh no, bro. I don't even have ads in the videos or anything else. I don't want to I don't want to monetize. Okay. Let's try again. No, definitely let's modify this. Let's use the resources and see if it still loads. Yeah, of course. Let's resume a session. Oh, it's not working because Okay, now it's working good, I think. Yeah, this is made by but no. Let's this is made by GLM 5.2. Where should this deploy go to? Production. Yes, production. What should actually land in production? This branch also has the release sign up SMTP login commit, which is in the part fixes and go through error login. Okay. It's not weird. I think Claude make it like this. This is live subscription and I don't have the live key, only a test key locally. How do you want to push the 1 month trial extension? I put the Stripe customer not call. Okay, let's do it from my dashboard because I need to have still access tomorrow to the app, so I'll do it like this. Don't bother adding any other keys in the sessions and everything. Let's go. Guys, you are too silent, okay? I don't like that. Let's see. Let's edit. So where do I edit the period? Update subscription. Whatever. Oh no. I did something wrong. Okay, done. Okay, done. Can you verify? Origin main commit main forwards, perfect. Let's see what's going on here. Yes. Oh, I forgot about something which I introduced, but let me. I think it's not there. Where? I don't know. Switch the AI back into high code. Please fix. Okay. let's see what's going on here. So the community zone voice training, full job complete. Okay, let's tell him. Please make dialogue when the user wants to change the title. Don't show the field at the top where the title is, because it doesn't help us at all. Please have this dialogue where the user can can change the name, see the current name, and change the name, and click save to save the terminal name. Rebuilding now. Okay. Rust implementing now. Okay, this is working. This is investigate Prwn app. It is one of your left. Perfect. Okay, so let's try the voice now and see how it sounds. Hello, how are you?
Hi there. I'm doing well. Thanks for asking. How can I assist you today?
Okay. It's not that bad, but it's not that good. Can you hear me now?
Yes, I can hear you clearly. Let me know what you'd like to do.
Where are you from?
I'm here to assist you with your tasks right now. Let me know what you need, and we can get started.
Voice is not good at stream. What do you think? I mean, what are you referring to? How are you guys? Let's go. What are you building, guys? What are you building and how Prwn can help you? Okay, just go on the website. You'll have the website here. You'll be redirected to the coming soon page. We are building the Prwn app, okay? The development environment for your AI coding agents. Okay, you can have Claude, Codex, Anti-Gravity, and Open Code for now, directly connecting with your interface, adding multiple terminals, moving them, making them higher, bigger, smaller, and so on and so forth. You can have all the workspaces here in the left. You can talk with the terminals here on Telegram. You see I'm receiving a lot of things, but the summary and next steps, so you basically don't have to read all the AI slop that Claude or other agents are basically creating for you. So this is something we are building right now. You also have the voice, which is a replacement for the whisper flow, or I don't know what we are using for voice, but you have everything integrated in there. Browser, files, AI assistant, which can talk with the terminals, also monitor the terminals. It also works locally if you have a good if you have a good PC. You can download the local model. I will remove it for now for me, so it doesn't bloat my memory as well. So you'll be able to also talk with the real time, which literally You can control via voice all the terminals, get the latest things that are shown in the terminal directly to your voice. So this is it, guys. Don't forget to go on the Prwn website, prwn.app, coming soon. I'll share the link into the chat as well, so you can also go and sign up with your email, okay? And then you'll receive also the Discord, and we will create the biggest community there, in building the app of the future, okay? So the way of how to fire correctly, mechanism works, updated is now, status is trialing plan pro. So Stripe super base, okay, we agreed. 1 month, actually set 2027, perfect, that's good, bro. We are having the trial for 1 year, that's perfect. Okay, so we don't need anything else here. We'll close that. Summary of the deploy, admin table responsiveness, are no responsive, no sideways. The local preview port is still running. Let's close this. Bye bye, sayonara. We don't need it anymore. Perfect. Okay, so now update the test, create, rename title. Okay, update terminal tile. And let's see, building, and here, brainstorm. Let's see, this is working or not, guys. Yeah, it seems like it's running. Okay. Isn't it nice? You can go with click and change things. I think this is nice. Claude really did a great job with this feature, with this new feature. You can literally go and copy. You can also select and remove everything from the terminal. This is really nice, interactive things. Strengthening the optional task 9. Warning, if under specified must be expanded or cut. Let's see the clipper. What the clipper does. Plan stage running, media pipe, face tracking, plans done, 10 clips with varied auto-selected layouts, render stage started, watching them complete. So soon we'll have the shorts, guys. And then we will post, we'll post to the YouTube, the shorts and everything. I'm really curious, what's my usage in open code? How do I see the usage in open code? Let's see, what's going on? Open code. Why open code is not? What's happening, bro? Wow. Why it starts so slow? View status. No plugin. How do I see the usage? Let me look into the oh, so I do have 11% weekly usage with 5 hours, 19%. And I do have a monthly usage also. So yeah, it's a little bit. It's not that cheap. Yeah, maybe because of my RAM. This will be the clue. To the test, surface the final whole branch review the operation of test. And mute behavior can only be on a running dev. What's going on here? Building. Too many things are happening, okay? This is why.
Nothing is guaranteed, such a thin line in between. Colder than ice when you're next to me. First time we met, I knew I had to make you mine. Couldn't see all the warnings, cause you looked so fine. When I look into your eyes,
let's check the videos. Where? What? What's going on? Why I don't see it? It says it's rendered 2 of 10, but I don't see the videos. Where they are stored right now? Okay, I'll let it complete and I'll show you guys how it looks. What happened where, guy? Limited. Nothing happened. Ask for pet. Yeah, I'll let it complete. No problem. Let me ask it. Goodness. Oh, it's because it already had some, yeah, okay. It was already having some clips. Yo, Avaria, how are you, bro? Hope we are better than Bridge Mind. Who knows? So let's do it like this, and then better than Bridge Mind. Who knows? Yo, Avaria, how are you, bro? Hope we are better than Bridge Mind. Who knows? So let's do it like this, and then admin. It's not working. Let's see. The task is not finished. Search help, will guard combined. Okay, perfect. Let's see if the stream is on right now. Stream live. Guard up. Perfect. Let me try the admin dashboard. Weird that on my other laptop it's working, but here it's not working. I don't know why. On my other app is working. Yeah, not. This is not really good, but no problem. S to close. We'll see. We'll review and we'll post only the videos that make sense. So even if Claude is not good at it, we'll post it. But after we review it. Perfect. So see what's happening, because it seems like you are stalled. Stale. Hello guys. What you doing? Let's go. It's too quiet here. It's too quiet. What are you building, guys? Let's go. I'm literally building the Prwn app, the app I'm coding on right now. And you can go basically on the Prwn, that app coming soon. I will share the link as well in the chat. So you can go here, add the email. We will have also a free trial, so you can test everything. Also the Telegram summaries, the Telegram spawn, new terminals, and everything. So you can test actually and see if the app is working for you, and if helps you to do more things, build more. For me, it's a really great app. I just built this whole app in 12 days. So this is it, guys. We are trying to finish and launch it, but unfortunately, there will be a free trial. Unfortunately, we are not receiving the Apple developer message and the account. That's why we are waiting a little bit more until we launch it. But yeah, you can go now, you add your email. We also have the Discord community. You can join there. So don't forget, you'll also receive an email from me, special email from me after you sign up. Yo, cookies! I'm working on the Prwn app. Okay, this app you are seeing here in the front of you, and in here are the terminals I'm running. This is open code. This one in the middle. These ones are implementing some different things for the app. We are waiting for it to compile. To compile the dev app, so we see how the real-time voice sounds. Right now it sounds like this. Hello, how are you?
Hey, I'm doing well, thank you. How about you?
Can you open for me a terminal and check the last 2 commits in Git?
I've opened a new terminal in the Prwn workspace, and it's now checking the last 2 Git commits.
Bro, you have to check the spam as well, because for me everything was sent, okay? And everyone I had to sign up in the form received the email. Maybe you entered the wrong email, who knows? Send me your email. What email did you enter? So I'm looking into it. I'll get an automatic notification the moment build 5 finishes. Then I clear the version bump artifact, and you can listen to the 0.3 mix. Then let's see, guys. We are creating some more shorts for YouTube. So right now it creates for me 20 shorts from the last 2 live session. I really built something that it does it automatically. So it goes on the YouTube, it downloads the last lives. It processes the analytics and the most viewed sections and create some virality score. Then I can basically choose from the shorts. They are looking like this. I'll show you again. I think, and everything is automatically. I'll show you right now. So this is one of it. It puts the image with me at the bottom. At the top, it puts the screen. The fix is now open. Also, it adds the captions. Feature request for Claude to emit soft wrappable output. You see, guys? So it's not our fault. We need to. And this is everything automatically. So you see, I posted I think 5 days ago 3 shorts, but then I didn't because I didn't have really much time. But this one got 1.3k views. This is really nice. Let's see, guys. Let's see if you actually signed up in the forum or not. Okay, so everything is tracked. Oh, perfect. So you received it, yeah? What are you referring to, Divo? So we have 22 page views today with 17 unique visitors. Nice. It seems like 1 was going organic, 12 referral, and I think from YouTube we do have 13 views. Okay, perfect. So this is good, guys. Most of you are from desktop. US, India, Brazil, Turkey, Germany, and Philippines. Nice to see you guys. I'm really great. I'm having you here. Perfect. So it's not like something bad going behind. What are you building, guys? What are you building? What are you using the most? Claude, Codex, Anti-Gravity, Open Code? What are your subscriptions, guys? Let's see the real time. Hello, how are you?
Hey there. I'm doing great. Thanks for asking. How about you?
I'm good. Thank you so much. Let's also... It is good, but let's turn the volume down to the default, okay? Because right now it seems like the voice, it's too high and it goes in the highs and it's breaking the voice. I think this is the reason. I forgot that we said to make the volume higher. I'm using AGI free subscription to Prwn. It's free for 1.5 years in India. Nice. And how are the limits? Are they good enough or not? I mean, for example, I'm running this open GLM 5.2. And it seems like I already have 11% weekly usage and 19% rolling usage. Okay, so it's like 5-hour usage. But I don't understand because it's like I just had one task and this task is not that hard. It's a little bit complicated, but not that complicated. I don't know why. Let's see if it builds. Yeah, perfect. Okay, so now we can rename the terminals. Very good. Okay, that's working. Perfect. Okay, guys, so it seems like GLM 5.2 really nailed it. They nailed it. It's not something I'm not surprised, but have you done it? I mean, are you stuck or what? It's basically a better Discord. Do you not check out other people's websites? It's a basically better Discord. I'm not really sure what you are referring to, Devo. Current after this build, mail setter again, natural, no clipping, career. So a clean male voice with a light robotic edge. If one turns out a touch quit. Okay, perfect. So we are at 6 from 10 videos. That's good. And here we are rebuilding the app. Here, I'm not sure what is doing. Okay. Seems like it's good. And here, front-end implementer is the last code task. Perfect. So hopefully we'll have a lot of things done tonight. Let me check the Apple developer if it really sent me a message or not. I'll check it right now for you guys. So I'm seeing the email if no, I'm checking my phone. Let me see. It seems like no news from Apple. I don't know why it takes that long. Your order request, which will be processed within 2 business days. I don't know why. But yeah, we will wait and see if everything goes on. So guys, we are building 10 shorts for YouTube. They are fully built automatically by Claude. They are looking something like this. I'll show you from, guys, example. Where you are watching from, I'm already in the day 11, if I'm not mistaken, and right now we are so close to launch. It takes the best parts from the live, it analyzes it, and it tracks the screen from the whole segment. It cuts the video at the bottom left, and then it creates the scene with the screen sharing. It just doesn't have to send links or even try to uncoordinating is the app name. Anytime I send a URL, it doesn't get sent. I think, yeah, it's because of YouTube. But let's look into the app. Uncorded. Let's look into the Prwn web browser. Let's google.com and see if oh, .app. Okay. Oh, so you just need to create an account and everything, and then you can use the app. Bro, I don't see any captcha. Where is the captcha? Is my browser not rendering it? Maybe it's because of my browser. Let me try with the browser. No, captcha is not working, bro. So yeah, let's see the your community, your hardware, the self-hosted plugin powered. It doesn't look bad. It's nice. Wow, and the animations are so nice. Runs you on your own hardware. I'm on macOS. I cannot download it, it seems. Do you plan doing it on macOS as well or not? Did you just steal the idea from BridgeMind, from project to idea to stream? No, I haven't stolen anything. Everyone is... You can also get an idea from me, but you can implement it in your way, okay? So what I'm doing here is not really bridge mind, but I really respect Matt, and he does a great job. Okay. For sure. From what I hear, it costs money to get on the macOS app. Is that correct? It's $100 per year. So this is the payment you need to make to the Apple to actually get the signing key. So you sign the app with the key from Apple, and every user can update the app from within the app without having any warnings and everything. So for now, if I'm going to give you the app, you'll have a lot of warnings and a lot of flags. Yeah, it's $100 per year. What is happening here? Why is not building it? Task one, to respect the serial build, spec 3. Keep executing the task. Perfect. So we're almost ready with this. Let's see the clipper. But the scored data exposes to the real quality picture I flagged here. Yeah, it's a small community, and I really thank you guys that you come to my stream to my stream today. It's been a few days. I haven't got the energy to stream, and now we'll stream again, hopefully tomorrow as well, and so on. But it's not a really easy job. Okay, it's a little bit harder. You need to focus on also answering to the people. You also need to focus on the app. You also need to entertain everyone, and you literally yeah, maybe because I'm near Turkey. Okay. So we are neighbors. If you are from Turkey, hi bro, I've been in Turkey 2 months ago. I'm from Romania. Male setter, male voice. Okay, but why is taking so long? I'm already waiting for a lot of minutes. Why is taking so long? It takes a lot to build this. Day 7 is excellent. All 10 are LLM keepers. Distinct moments, real tiles, zero backfill. Day 7 carries the quality. Day 11 contributes 4 strong, 6 weak backfill. Read styles. Oh, somebody those files. Okay. Yeah, I'm from Bucharest right now. I'm actually an entrepreneur for many years right now. I'm not working in a company or something, but I'm doing e-commerce and also coding. This is what I'm working. I'm having a business in e-commerce. You told me, can you describe the features on the left and the ones on the right? yeah, here in the left part, you can see your workspaces. Okay, so if you have a project, you can add it here and you can switch between them and have the terminals launched in that workspace. And then on the left here at the bottom, you can launch multiple sessions. So if you want to launch 10 sessions, for example, you can launch them with Claude Codex, Anti-Gravity, Open Code, all of them, or you can do a custom mix. So for example, you open 2 with Claude, 5 with Codex, 4 with 3 with anti-gravity, or 0 with anti-gravity, and 3 with open code. Okay, so it launches for you instant the whole terminals across the CLIs, so you don't have to open them manually, go into the folder back and forth, and so on and so forth. So this is really easy for you to open a new terminal. Okay, then at the top, you can also have multiple screens. For example, I'm having 4 terminals, but sometimes I need to split those terminals because they are working on something else to 2 screens, for example. So in this project, I'm having 2 terminals on screen 1 and 2 terminals on screen 2, and we can set it to later. Okay, so maybe you'll want to look it, and this will set to important, for example. Okay, and now at the top, I can organize the columns auto, or I can have 3, 4, 5 columns, whatever I want, and I also can drag the terminals which are most important, like this, or I can drag to the later and have the terminals like this in 3 columns, in 2 columns, or 1 column, or auto. Okay, and in the right we do have the voice. So if you are having the whisper flow installed right now into your laptop, or you are using voice to text app, you already have it into the Prwn. I've built it with Parakeet, Whisper, or Soniux, for example, if you want to use a cloud model. But these two, Parakeet and Whisper, are locally, and you can also see the recent dictations, and this is like working. Can you check why is this working so slow, and why the build didn't work? Thank you so much, bro. Thank you so much. Here you have the browser. As you saw, I put your app here, the other guy app, and you can basically go here into the 3 dots and pick an element from the page. And if you see this terminal here, you can pick the element. For example, it sends to the terminal, and you can say modify this element. I want it changed like this. So Claude will know which element you selected on the page and work directly on that. Then you can also have the developer tools, so you can see exactly what's going on. You can select things on the page, and you also can see the console. If something it's happening in the console, you can also send this to the terminal, so you debug the app directly into the Prwn app. Okay, so you don't go on the web, on the browser, you do check the console and so on and so forth. You do have your app here, and you just send to the Claude and so on. And then you have the files. You can see basically the files in here. You can read them. The MD files are shown exactly as MD files, beautiful preview, but you can also go and for example edit them. Okay, so you can edit them directly from the app. Then for the AI assistant, you can text here, open a new terminal for me, please. Open a new terminal for me, please, and check the last 10 commits. And you can give to the AI assistant this, and it will open a new terminal in this workspace you are on. Yo, Jan, nice to see you, bro. He will open a terminal. You see, it opened a terminal, and it will write here the prompt to basically check the last 10 commits. I will close this now, and here you'll have the real time, so you can also talk with the AI. Okay, you can talk with the real time, and it answers for you in real time, and it can control or see the other terminals and so on and so forth. Here you also have the history and everything with the terminal. Here you do have the MCP servers. So basically this is from Claude, but we'll make it for the other four providers as well. Here you'll see the save prompt. So if you want to save a prompt, you just put a sorry, how it says, the shortcut, and you just insert the text with the shortcut directly into the chat whenever you need and have repetitive prompts that you need to add the prompt in there. Then you also have the source control, so you see what's modified in real time. So for example, state MD, you can see exactly what was modified by the Claude, and also you can see the graph, so how things were going to the GitHub and everything. Yeah, so that's pretty it, but basically what I liked to do is the attention layers. So every time you receive a question from a terminal, it also shows you in Telegram. So you go on Telegram and you see the questions, you see the summaries, you see the next steps, next actions you need to do. You can also reply in there. Yes, go ahead and do the task. So and okay, tell me what to verify. And then you can also spawn a new terminal. So you just go to spawn Prwn, check last 10 review 10 commits, and it opens a new terminal just like that with the text we've written in the Telegram. Okay. you do see here. I don't have a question to show you right now, but dev release. But it literally also have this function where you can see the summaries of each terminal, so you don't really read all the AI slop. Okay. Yeah, so did you take inspiration from BreezeSpace? I had in my mind the idea on how to make it because I was using the I term, and I was having the I term in multiple ways. I was putting it like this. I was making multiple things like that, and I didn't like how to work. Then I saw BreezeMind, and I said, okay, I will make an app, because I also did the Telegram part in the I term, but now I was coming with the idea, okay, I will make it all in one app, even the voice as well inside the app, and also the workspaces here. So I don't need to CD into the to the projects, and also I want to have the Prwn persist, which basically if I close the app right now, I'll show you a little bit. If I'm closing the app right now and I'm starting it again, let me start it again. Where it is? Let me see, because it's not working right now. Let me do this. So I'm literally closing the app, then I'm restarting the app, and now all the sessions are in there. Okay, so nothing was broken. Everything it's now inside. Let me see, because my RAM and the CPU it's at maximum. I think it'll take a little bit. Yeah. Okay. So it restarted with all the terminals, but it seems like my RAM and CPU is 100%, and because I'm building something else in the back, and it broke it. But yeah, I'm building the dev app right now, so that's why, unfortunately. Yeah. I just use Kitty and Tmax. Yeah, perfect. Tmax is really great. I've been using it also before. You see guys, this is the Prwn persist. So basically it keeps your terminals alive while you are closing and quitting the app, but it keeps your terminals, so when you come back you have the terminals kept. Quit and keep selected. I'll close this one and then I'll start again the Prwn. It's still at 100% RAM, so yeah, let's wait a little bit more. Maybe it comes back again. The app is building in the background, so that's why. Let's also see what's happening in here. What's actually happening? Your local AI began is set to the one device demo. Switch AI back to Haiku. Just kill. Okay, we'll close this. What are you building, Vikram? I'm really curious. Dry run correct and the safety guard works. Front video all because git apparently flap kept working in the real-time voice stunning. Okay, final state stable on touch. Okay, perfect. This is done. This will be good. Okay. Let's see what's going on here. Let's see if it works or not. Guys, I think I will land the plane here for tonight. Already past my time with 5 minutes, but we will see each one together tomorrow. Don't forget to go on the Prwn.app. Let me, no, not that. Let me go on. So I will leave the link into the description, into the chat as well. So go ahead. Go ahead on the Prwn.app. Oh, why it's not going on? Okay, Prwn.app coming soon. Just enter your email and I will let you know when the app launches so you can test as well. Okay, thank you so much for being tonight here. I will keep building it. Or tomorrow at the same hour we'll see each other together here into the Theodore Avadani YouTube channel. I will show you exactly what I'm doing, how I'm working on it, I'm launching on Linux as well, so you will see everything. Okay. We will have also Linux. We'll have also Windows as well. So yeah, we will do it. Thank you for being here, guys. Peace.